How to use Siri on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to use Siri on your iPhone, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Siri option there. Further, if you have not set your Siri previously, then tap on the Talk to Siri option you see there and set it to Siri or Hey Siri. Once done, you will be required to enable Siri. So tap on the Enable Siri option you see there and you will now be required to enter or say a few prompts shown on the screen. So firstly, you will be required to choose the voice for your Siri and tap on Next, and you will further be required to dictate the prompt shown on the screen. You will basically get 3 to 5 prompts, so go ahead and speak all the prompts shown on the screen, and with this, your Siri will be enabled. Later, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for press side button for Siri, and now whenever you say Hey Siri, Siri will be enabled. You can then go ahead and ask Siri to set an alarm for you or set reminders for you, or you can also ask Siri to open applications for you. You can also ask Siri to text or call someone, or you can also ask Siri for information and search such as the weather or the World Cup status, or you can ask Siri to play music, or you can also ask Siri to turn off the living room lights if you have smart home in your home app. So this is how you can use Siri on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.